Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this gumball machine, mini ones, but it doesn't have any coins inserts. You see the black pots inside, right? It's right in here. It says turn the machine. Here's the gumballs. I ate some of them. Here's the top of the machine. And here's the slots. Even there's a curved stop, so it doesn't fall out automatically. And that's it. And it's yellow all there. There's no coin bin anyway. You have to just turn like this. Not like that. This is only for kids. If there's another kid of you, you can share it, or for your grown-ups too. So bye-bye for now. Subscribe and like this video. If you like gumballs, get one in Kmart in Bristol. It's only $2, okay?